recently bought this MINGLE ball valve, 5000 psi, and I have a 4400 psi pressure washer, 4 gallon per minute. So this is rated to be totally fine with my pressure washer, but it doesn't work. So every time you turn it on and off, it won't shut off the, it's like nothing's even there. Like this thing doesn't even do anything. I know in this video, like you could see that this is backwards, which I did that on purpose because I tried it the original way that the image, the product image had it, and it didn't work. So I figured, okay, maybe it's just like a manufacturer problem. So I flipped it, and it still doesn't do anything. Like you could see, it's open right now, but if I close it, it's closed, but it doesn't hold the pressure. Like, I don't know if it goes around or something, but it doesn't work. So save yourself some time and money, go with something higher quality. This is gonna just be a hassle.
Grade 3/8 high pressure ball valve does exactly what it needs to do. I use it at 4 or 8 gallons a minute, 4000 psi, no problems. Ready? Open. Closed. Stop working.